Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. In this video I have the all new Vivo V29e 5G, and guys, and this is a little brother of the Vivo V29, and this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 SoC with 8GB of RAM and a 256GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the rose gold color, and this time here in the Pakistan market, and the E variant also support 5G as well thanks to the Snapdragon 695 SoC. Here is a box of the Vivo V29e, and this phone is costing around 1,10,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And now let's open this box. First, let me remove the plastic from the box like this, and now let's open this box. So on the top we are getting our device. Now let's start off from this box. And guys, here is the rose gold color looks like of the Vivo V29e. As you can see on the back we have a matte finish, and the back it is made up of glass I think, and the frame it is made up of plastic. Again on the back we have these lines which looks really nice. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have 64 megapixel OIS main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide with a ring LED flash as well as a separate LED flash. So the camera bump it is not really big. Also we have completely flat frame. Anyways, now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed, and now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And the first thing, here is our soft silicone case, and we also have a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, guys. And this is a 44-watt super fast charger, and here is our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable as you can see. And here is our SIM ejection tool inside the box. And now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone as well as a SIM tray, and this one also has a IP54 rating. So you can see we also have a rubber gasket, and as you can see it is a dual nano SIM, so we don't have any micro SD card support. So on the left we have absolutely nothing. On the top we are getting a noise cancellation microphone, so volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button, it is on the right hand side. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture OIS main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. We don't have any macro lens on this phone, and this phone has a 6.67 inch full HD plus AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top, and the bottom screen it is also really small on this phone, much smaller as compared to the previous Vivo V27e. And this phone feels really light in the hand because this phone has a 4800 mAh battery size. And now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo V29e. And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, and the display looks really bright. We have AMOLED display, so everything looks really nice and bright. Ultra gaming mode is available. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. And this phone is running on Android 13. Also we have FunTouchOS version 13 as well. Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, which is not really powerful. I wish that we have a Snapdragon 778G on this phone. So we have 256GB of internal storage out of 236GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a in-display fingerprint scanner. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And now look at the camera. So this phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. So here is your ultra wide looks like. Ultra wide looks really nice. Here is our portrait mode, and here is our night mode which is also available with the ultra wide. And now let's go to the video section. The back camera maximum shoot full HD at 60 fps. Also with the back camera we also have video stabilization, in which you will get a better video stabilization although we have a OIS with the main camera. And video stabilization also available with the ultra wide. Here is our micro movie. In the mode section we also have a slow motion. We also have a dual view video mode, as you can see. We also have a dual exposure. We also have pro mode. All those things it is available on this phone. And now look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera looks, I would say, really nice, one of the best in this price range. We also have this little wide option, and the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't have a 60 fps. support. Also, we don't have a video stabilization mode with the front facing camera, micro movie, and slow motion. It is not available with the front facing camera. We have 4800 mAh battery size with a 44-watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V29e, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.